Oh, let's go. Nice. Not stock.
What?
It said not stock. Is
No,
it?
it's pretty stock.
Yeah, it looks beefy for this thing, yeah.
It's just all detailed up.
Man, this is yours?
Yep.
Beautiful. I'm John.
Steve.
Nice to meet you, Steve.
Thank you. The interiors, I mean, stock seats and everything, I recovered them just a little bit different.
Yeah?
But
So what year is this thing?
this is a 78 Jeep Wagoneer
Nice.
with the early front end on it here with the rhino grill.
Oh, wow.
I see the pigeons have found my
Oh, you got nailed. Come on.
but
But these things have like shot up in popularity
they
for
have.
sure, right?
They've just skyrocketed. It's crazy.
This thing is, I mean, look at this thing. This is an excellent job, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't realize they came with something that looks so good. I mean, that looks like a powerhouse.
This is an AMC 360, and this is what they came stock with.
Yeah.
I put like the aluminum radiator in there
Yeah.
and updated the air conditioning system so
right.
that it's got. So
Maybe
I
that's
can
what
run
kind of threw me off because it looks updated and newer, yeah.
And then I
But still
updated the
got the-
ignition system so that it's a little bit better.
Nice.
But I mean, it's carbureted 360.
Nice. So how much work, like, to have it like this, the paint and the fenders, is everything out and you put it back in kind of thing? Or you got
Yeah, everything's taken apart. Everything was apart, all the glass is out of it. It was down to just a body sitting on a frame at one point.
Nice.
So.
In your garage, or where was this thing done? You got a shop?
I used to work at a shop here, but this one I did a combination of my garage and then at the shop also.
Yes, dude. This thing is absolutely insane.
I had a 70 El Camino that I did that I put a 6-liter LS in it, and it was white with a blue interior. It was a really neat car. It was super nice.
Yeah.
And I made a mistake, and I kind of made it a little too nice.
Yeah?
And I built that, and then I was building this one after, and my intention was to sell this one and keep the El Camino, and I ended up selling the El Camino and keeping this one.
Because you can drive this thing, I bet, right?
Yeah,
Even though, I mean, it's in immaculate condition.
I don't feel quite so bad about driving it because the paint isn't as nice as the other one.
Maybe a tiny chip if you're looking around.
There's a few things here and there.
But, I
but
mean,
I built this one with the intention of selling it and or driving it. And so I'm going to update the motor here this winter and put a fuel-injected LS motor in it. So that it'll be easier to drive.
Yeah.
That way my wife can hop in it and drive it wherever. So.
But I mean, with something like this, it's so cool that it's still.
Well, thanks, man.
Still use it.
I wanted to go with the plain Jane. I didn't want fancy wheels, steel wheels, and factory hubcaps.
I'm big on the OEM kind of looking type wheels instead of it's four-wheel drive or what's underneath it?
Yep, it's 4-wheel drive. Yep, it's got twin stick. It's got a 727 transmission.
Yeah.
And I can't remember what exactly the transfer case is.
Yeah.
These were Quadra tracks originally. And I changed it from the Quadra track because that's full-time 4-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah.
And so I made it so it's got lockouts on it
All
and twin sticks so that you could put it in 2-wheel drive and drive it around
and just
town
cruise
and get
around. Yeah.
some kind of fuel mileage.
Yeah.
Because otherwise they don't get any fuel mileage.
Yeah. Is it drums all around or do you got on this thing?
Discs in the front, drums in the back.
Yes, dude. This thing is, I mean, dude, awesome job.
Well, thanks, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Feel free to open the door if you want.
Oh, yeah, man. Even that button? Oh, dude, this thing's insane, dude. Heck, oh, nice. There we go. Oh, the twin stick. So that's the 2 and 4-wheel drive.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, and it's an auto.
Yep, it's an auto with a 4-shift.
Nice, dude. Oh man, the seats are insane. Oh, look at that.
And I just wanted to go simple.
You'd be ashamed if you didn't cruise this thing around.
Rubber floor mats instead of carpet.
Oh,
so.
yeah. Yes, dude.
And the headliner on it's all that plaid.
Yeah, love it, dude. Yes, dude.
The wife and me have gotten a little bit of use out of it.
Nice.
We're gonna put that fuel injected motor in it, and then we drove it up Montana and back.
Nice.
So we'll be making more trips like that after we get that LS in.
Yeah, so. I mean, and that's what people probably miss is doing it and then get out and driving it and then creating them kind of. We just came, we're from Boston.
Oh yeah.
We drove out here. My wife's from Omaha. We got a lake house out here, but we went to Colorado. There's a couple other things, and being able to get out and cruise with the family is the coolest thing.
It definitely is.
And to be able to out in something like this is so rad.
We got a rooftop tent for it that we put on there.
Yeah.
When we go cruise, or when we go take it like camping.
Nice. Well, thanks for bringing it out.
Yeah, man.
What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Steve.
Steve. John.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
you.
ride. Thank you. Yeah, that's a good story too, right there.